half-time, Gilfie Sigerson with his 56 separating the two sides of Palestine for a 6-game Premier League defeat. United 1 Peterhead 2 in the Scottish First Division. Reading 0, Wolves 0 down at the Medeski Stadium. Reading in 16th place. Wolves are becalmed really in mid-table at present. Burton Albion lead by a goal to nil against Bradford City. They're top of League One. Mason Bennett was the man who got their goal. Leeds and Nottingham Forest is goalless. Kidderminster rock bottom of the National League without an away win all season long. They lead through Ben Whitfield's goal at Boreham Wood by a goal to nil. Bolton Wanderers led against Rotherham, an early goal for Bolton from Jay Speary, but Chris Berg equalising for Rotherham. One piece of scoring to firmly lead at 10 hours. Walsall and Millwall is goalless. Samuel Anderson very happy they're going at half-time on level terms.
He will indeed. They've got a free kick about 35 yards. Liverpool might make another substitution.
This could be the first video of 2016, Dad. If this actually uploads to YouTube.
Well, I don't know. How many about YouTube?
It's not letting me upload anything, and hopefully this video will. I just enjoy my life, but it didn't upload. That took me forever. It's really good. How long are they gonna be?
It's supposed to be like 2 or 3 minutes. This was put on for like 20 minutes. No wonder it takes so long.
No, I don't mean it in that. I mean, like, it says, oh, it's failed.
Yeah, because if it's just too long, you should only do them for about 3 minutes.
YouTubers do them for like 20.
Yeah, I know, but you doing it like that, you probably got professional stuff to do it with.
Swindon nil in League One, and the Championship is Cardiff nil, the MK Dons nil, Fulham 1, Derby 1 is a half-time score down at Cleveland Cottage for Sheffield United in League One.
Let's see if this downloads. It'll go on for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, should say. Oh, should say right here.
Turf Moor, a little bit of late pressure from Liverpool at Anfield against Sunderland.
Yeah, certainly is. Van Arnold very nearly just put the ball in his own net. Zandler runs down the left side, little low cross into the near post. Van Arnold goes with his right foot and he goes inches wide of the post, corner for Liverpool.
Burnley 0-0 at half-time, Carlisle 2-0 up against Atkins and Cranmer and Southport is goalless. Luton 1
Mickey.
Wigan Wanderers, Portsmouth 0, Lake Norrie 0, Crewe 2 against Rochdale. It'll be a very big day indeed for Crewe Alexandra, 6 points off safety. League One, Charlton 1, Bristol City 1, Lee Tomlin. Penalty separates the two sides. Lee Johnson, the new Bristol City manager, is watching from the stands there. He signed a new 3.5-year contract following his father's footsteps, but he also played for Bristol City and played against at Wrexham by a goal to nil. Welling 0, Altrincham 0 at half-time in the same division, the National League, and Middlesbrough Blackburn Rovers.
Do you know how to connect a phone to a actual camera? Okay, bye.